Usability, design, relevant content, a defined buyer persona, business cases, these are a few of the factors that will help your B2B website achieve tangible results. The global e-commerce industry is worth $25 trillion, according to data of the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. During this e-commerce boom, we must ensure that our website meets all the requirements to be a successful B2B website. Here are 5 key ways for you to achieve this. 1. Focus on usability, careful design and relevant content. Your website must meet the optimal usability requirements. If users don't find what they are looking for or don't see your website as useful, they will leave. Also, your site must be attractive to the naked eye, as well as being innovative to keep the user engaged and on your page. Above all, your website must be responsive on both traditional desktop and mobile devices. Mobile is growing increasingly important, with more than 50% of online searches being made through a mobile device. The content of the website is also important. You must offer well-structured content, depending on what you want to convey to the user in each part of the page. One way to do this is to offer a blog with professional content that contains high-quality and relevant information. 2. Your website represents your company. The image that you offer is the image that will remain in your customer's mind and will condition their expectations regarding your professionalism, quality and personalized service. Therefore, it's very important that your website clearly reflects your values as a company and is a true reflection of what your customers can expect from you. We can't forget that there are subjective factors when deciding on one company or another. We often buy based on how we feel at a given moment, and it's during the first seconds of viewing a web page that we decide whether to switch to another site or stay. 3. The content and key messages on your website should be aimed at your buyer persona. Most websites with low conversion rates have the wrong messages on their homepage. Wrong doesn't mean that they are poorly written, but that they don't target the right person, so your potential client doesn't feel connected and ends up leaving the site as a result. This is why it's essential that you have a well-defined buyer persona. It will help you create a solid strategy and determine at what moment, through what platform and with what message you will attract your target audience. 4. In a B2B website, the customer portfolio is vital. The fact that the company's website has relevant clients generates a sense of confidence and security that encourages us to develop a relationship with the company. According to Nielsen, more than 80% of consumers seek references, opinions or recommendations about products and services before deciding to finalize a purchase. The testimonies of relevant people are also sources of inspiration and decision-making factors when choosing a partner to work with. Remember that it's very important that your clients become authentic evangelizers of your brand. 5. Include business case studies. Good business case studies on the website that reflect the problems of customers, the solution provided and positive results can facilitate the conversion of customers. They help a potential customer decide whether to work with the company or not. Remember, with these case studies it is important to reflect on the problem and how it was solved.